In today's short video, we will cover how to quickly take a large quantity of bidirectional insertion loss results and add them to the Telstra Workbook in just a few minutes. This video will be useful to any manager or field tech working on the Telstra network. To do this, you need to have used two Viavi OTDRs with the Fibre Complete module to carry out fully automated insertion loss and optical return loss tests. Both OTDRs will have the launches self-referenced at some point before carrying out the test to ensure that they are not included as part of the results. You will also have to have downloaded the Viavi Fibre Trace 2 or Fibre Cable 2 software from the Viavi website. So in this short presentation, we'll follow just 4 basic steps to complete the Telstra Workbook. Step 1, we will open the Viavi Fibre Trace or Fibre Cable 2 software and select the insertion loss files we want to use. Step 2, we save these as a text file. Step 3, we open up the Telstra Workbook and save a copy to a PC. Step 4, we import the text file we generated in Step 2. Here we have a folder in my documents on my PC which I've extracted 72 fibre tests at 1310 and 1625. I now open the Viavi software, move the cursor to the top left hand corner and select Open. Now I've just got to find the folder which I saved all my insertion loss results earlier. Here they are. I just need to now select all of these and then go to the tab with Open in the same window. As I scroll down, I can see all 72 fibres counts with results at 1310 and 1625 in the A to B direction and the B to A direction. Now is the part where we save this as a text file. So we go Save Results. We put in the file name that we want to call it. See that it says text at the bottom as the format. And save. Now I need to generate the Telstra Workbook, and so open up the Fibre Workbook and select New Fibre Test. The workbook name should already be completed and you may need to fill in some of the blank sections manually. You then save a copy of this workbook. Once this is done, go back into the workbook and from the ribbon at the top select IL ORL Test and Import Insertion Loss. Now you'll find some further instruments and software options to choose from. For this purpose, we select the JDSU OFS 110 insertion loss file. Tick the Import to Workbook and Append Data, and then select the Import Data file. Now we select the file where we saved the 72 fibre insertion loss test results from earlier by using the Viavi software. The macro will take a few seconds to automatically complete the workbook, and when finished it will display the relevant information on the screen. And here is the finished spreadsheet with all the insertion loss results for 72 fibres at 1310 and 1625 nanometers in both directions. No human errors will be made in putting the results, and now you'd have time on your hands to do something a little bit more interesting than filling in spreadsheets. If you have enjoyed this video, then please feel free to subscribe, like and share this video. I'll soon be adding a video on how to set up and use fully automated bidirectional OTDRs, so please stay tuned for that. This will be perfect for those working on Telstra wideband. If you have a current need for information or pricing on bidirectional OTDRs, insertion loss or optical return loss testing, then please contact our sales team on 1800 680 680 or email sales@tmg.com.au. Until next time, goodbye.